You have probably heard or even you use the Recolor Artwork Panel in Illustrator. But do you know the most powerful and useful options it offers? Let's jump onto the tutorial. So how to find Recolor Artwork in Illustrator? You can find the Recolor Artwork option on the top after selecting the illustration. You can also find it by Edit Colors, Recolor Artwork. Now many of us know that, if we just click and rotate the colors in the linked state, the whole colors of our illustration will change according to the color wheel. And we can unlink and adjust manually. But doing that way is hectic and can leave you with a lot of tension. Let's see some hacks to the Recolor Artwork panel. The most useful option of Recolor Artwork is you can select the color library on the top drop-down box. What it will do is, it will make the artwork according to the color library's color tones, and Illustrator has a variety of color libraries, like food, kids, and so on. If your client asks, the colors are fine, but make it a bit more cool or warm, or give an ancient feel. This is the best option to consider. Next comes a Photoshop slider. Yes, at the bottom you can see a slider and two circles. The first one is the brightness slider and the second one is saturation. It's used to control the brightness and saturation of artwork. For Photoshop users, it will be a wow option. If you click on Advanced Options, a much bigger window appears. Here you can have more control over colors. For example, you can change the color wheel's view to advanced and the color bars, and then you can select the color and change it in the slider below. I forgot to mention one of the best options of Recolor Artwork, it's Color Theme Picker. Suppose your client gives you a screenshot of a palette or a picture and wants you to have colors from them. You need not go to extensions or apps for it. You can import to AI and simply click on Color Theme Picker and whoa, it's done. You can have control of colors used in Prominent Colors slider. The same goes for pictures. I use this all the time and it does wonders for designs. Also, if you need your design to be prominent with bright or dark, just change the sort order to the options there. It works like magic. Also, if you are working on abstract designs, you can just click on Randomly Change Order or Randomly Change Saturation. So let's look at another example. If your client wants to change the shirt, box, and helmet to their branding colors, so going to group selecting and changing every shape manually takes a lot of effort. In Recolor Artwork, go to Advanced Options. Now if you scroll through all the colors and select a red one, click the right bottom icon. It shows where the color is located as a filter. It is very useful in changing specific colors. Then, change the color using sliders. Now your client has a color code to be applied. What will you do? You have a solution there. You can enter color codes according to the various options, enter the value and you will get the color. Now, let's look at how Recolor Artwork helps logo designers. Select Advanced Options, and on the right top you will see a folder icon. Clicking on it will save your color groups. Using this, you can have colors changed and create another color group. For every choice of color you make, you can create a color group. This is very useful when you need to check which color change suits the design best. From comparing every group, I see green is great. So logo designers out there, catch this handy tip. Let's recap what we have learned. Number 1. Using color library for specific tone of color. Number 2. Brightness and saturation slider for Photoshop users. Number 3. Advanced color palette viewing options. Number 4. Using color theme picker for images. Number 5. Prominent colors slider to control the major use of colors. Number 6. Changing the lightness and hue order of the colors for abstract designs. Number 7. Change saturation randomly for abstract images. Number 8. How to change specific set of colors in illustration. Number 9. How to see what color is used in which area of design. Number 10. How to enter color code in Recolor Artwork. Number 11. Using color groups for comparison in logo. Hope you liked the learning session. Please like, comment for any feedback. For more such useful content, subscribe to Smart Work Studios. Thank you.